Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York. Love worst game of reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's Deva Bratt representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hearing me, man?
Yo. What is up, my Jamaica's game right here with another random reaction. Woo! Today I'm reacting to a Deva Bratt song. I don't know which one. I'm just gonna go on this page. When I go forward with me, take out my glass and just scroll down until I can find one to react to, cause I'm sure he must have some song on there that I haven't reacted to yet, right? Can react to a lot of Deva Bratt songs them. So I could jump into that one and find out which song we can find out here, man. Cause right now we just bored and they are waiting for Deva Bratt to actually drop some new songs. So I could go see where I deal. I could go see where I deal. So this is the Deva Bratt page, as you can see. So let's scroll down. Anything you wanna see it? Even get I think okay. Oh no, that's when I'm not him that. I'm promote some artists or so. Alright, scroll down. Okay, so apology. So this was in January. That one we're not reacting that one yet. Somebody Gyal. Alright. Somebody Gyal it is. Somebody Gyal it is. Make we fix this. Yeah, make we fix this. Yes, this fixed now. Expand that and get that screen here. Yeah. I could jump in the one and say what am I saying? Somebody Gyal. Let's go, man.
What you say? You did.
M-Tan, pick up yourself.
M-Tan music.
Cover art, bad, I like it.
A one man to one woman. My team no battery girl. Girl factory. Like we manufacture girl. Girl criminal. No ram fi take we boy girl. Fee marshal, non-partial. With a normal. So for you see me and me team, you see the thing up. Somebody girl a get fucked. We da cut up peanut hanging is in a cup.
Somebody girl a get fucked.
From you see me get a take.
What you say? And the first one hear that one here now. If for the first one hear it, let me know in the comment section again.
What you say?
Again. Somebody girl a get fucked.
M-Tan music.
How you say, bro? God?
Somebody girl a get.
A one man to one woman. My team no battery girl. Girl factory. Like we manufacture girl.
So I must say a one man to one woman team no battery girl. We end up on the battery thing. No, a kid is living that.
To one woman. My team no battery girl.
No.
Girl factory. Like we manufacture girl. Girl criminal.
Whole heap of girl.
Take we boy girl. Fee marshal, non-partial. With a normal. So for you see me and me team, you see the thing up. Somebody girl a get fucked. We da cut up peanut hanging is in a cup.
Somebody girl a get fucked.
From you see me get a text or a call and cut. Yeah. Somebody girl a get fucked.
So I'm there on the ends of chill out with my friend. I get a text or a call and I cut. You know what I go on, right?
From you see me get a text or a call and cut.
Yeah. Somebody girl a get
From
fucked.
the room door lock and the music but
Somebody girl a get fucked.
Step left him girl for a second, now she gone in a minute.
Boy step left him girl for a second. Oh, she gone in a minute. How with the bomb clock? Never mind.
You did no.
M-Tan music.
How you say, bro? God?
A
one man to one woman. My team no battery girl. Girl
Hold on, what gonna wear so? Me not like this. What going? Wait. Me not like this. Remember, so right now everything random what you saying now. So when you don't pay, nothing wanna say what you say, don't pay it no mind, you know. Well, this look like that. Why is there two of them? Why's there two of them here? Remove this one. Okay, alright, get to that one now. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't even notice that. Yeah. I must say this is a random reaction, you know, so not planning now. Let's go.
factory. Like we manufacture girl. Girl criminal. No ram fi take we boy girl. Fee marshal, non-partial. With a normal. So for you see me and me team, you see the thing up.
Yeah. Somebody girl a get
fucked. We da cut up peanut hanging is in a cup.
Somebody girl a get fucked.
From you see me get a text or a call and
Cut. Yeah. Somebody girl a get fucked.
from the room door lock and the music but
Somebody girl a get fucked.
step left him girl for a second, now she gone in a minute. The phone him a call and a ring it. Me charge it, have her in a corner a dig it. The bread that all, now him look small like a midget.
The brother tall. Know him look small like a midget. Have her in G, have her in a corner, dig it out. Right through.
Easy like eeny, meeny, miny. The bread that all know him look small like a midget. Easy like eeny, meeny, miny more. The girl them love with style and them like with flaws. So wherever we're going, they would like to go. All of me thought them a jealous pro. Come here, see a bag of gal follow me when we are caught. Yep. Somebody gal get fucked. If you don't have no money and you're easy if you broke. Somebody gal get fucked. See a gal up out of the truck and she a duck. Hey, somebody gal get fucked.
We don't see a girl up out of the truck and she a duck. She hide her face. She had to use her handbag and cover her face when she make a bunty walk. She walk fast. You know them walk around there? Somebody gal get fucked.
See a girl up out of the truck and she a duck. Hey, somebody gal get fucked. Her man a do a double and she just left walk. What? Somebody gal get fucked. Yeah, what? Girl tell her man say she a go a night. Fi what? She say in khaki need fi go on a bright life.
Girl tell her man say she a go a night. He asks her for what? She say your cocky needs to go a bright light. Your cocky dead. Your cocky not no use. Your cocky needs to get chopped off. And if your cocky dead, if your cocky dead, you know if you live neither. That's what she said to him. Obviously not me. Come on, man.
Girl tell her man say she a go a night. Fi what? She say in khaki need fi go on a bright life. Dog the girl thick and broad a my type. Girl no stop text and call a my night. She tell me fi drop her off a limelight. When him see him girl come out of me car a Friday night. Him drive with vex and write off a price right. Girl broke with boss we like high.
Him drive out vex and write off him car up a price right. How are the blood clot? Is that story the G I tell us say that?
Him drive with vex and write off a prime night. Fi what? She say in khaki need fi go on a bright life. Dog the girl thick and broad a my type. Girl no stop text and call a my night. She tell me fi drop her off a limelight. When him see him girl come out of me car a Friday night. Him drive with vex and write off a price right. Girl broke with boss we like high. From you see me and me team, you see say the thing up. Somebody girl a get fucked. We da cut up peanut and Guinness in a cup. Somebody girl a get fucked.
Yeah.
From you see me get a text or a call and cut.
Yeah. Somebody girl a get fucked.
From the room door lock and the music buck.
Yeah. Somebody girl a get fucked.
Boy step left him girl for a second now she
Gone in a minute.
The phone him a call and a ring it. Me charge it, have her in a corner a dig it. The bread that all, now him look small like a midget. Easy like eeny, meeny, miny more. The girl them love with style and them like with flaws. So wherever we're going, they would like to go. All of me thought them a jealous pro. Come here see a bag of gal follow me when we are come. Yep. Somebody gal get fucked. If you don't have no money and you're easy fi broke. Somebody gal get fucked. See a girl up out of the truck and she a duck. Hey, somebody gal get fucked. Her man a do a double and she just left walk. What? Somebody gal get fucked. Yeah, what? Girl tell her man say she a go a night. Fi what? She say in khaki need fi go on a bright light. Dog the girl thick and broad a my type. Girl no stop text and call a my night. She tell me fi drop her off a limelight. When him see him girl come out of me car a night. Him drive with vex and write off a price right. Girl broke with boss we like high.
You know it's Deva Bratt representing Jamaica's worst game. A react.
Yeah.
What a reaction.
Yeah, what do you think? What I want dog. I the first one hear that one still. I mean, no, say no found out the first. I'm not going to hear that one, yeah. I want to stay so. I want to go check out the artist them page, them man. You take me for do it? What more can I do over here? But yeah, this bad. It's bad. It's a random reaction. It is a random reaction for a reason. Somebody, girl. Yes. Emton, pick up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. It's bad. It's crazy. Somebody girl get fucked. Yeah. Somebody girl get him left him girl for a second. Now him gone. Now she gone in a minute. Blood clot. Yeah. Somebody girl get lift up. Gone with teeth like Brian and Nancy. I saw me move like Brian and Nancy. How the blood clot you? Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I'll see you guys in the comment section. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.